हम एनडीटीवी नेटवर्क में तो रोजाना विमेंस डे मनाते हैं। मेरे ख्याल से हिंदुस्तान में हम एक अकेले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होंगे जहां महिलाएं डिसीजन मेकिंग पोजीशंस पे बहुत बड़ी तादाद में हैं।
Happy Women's Day to all the very energetic, vigorous, enthusiastic, diligent female colleagues and all over the world.
Happy Women's Day.
This Women's Day, NDTV is leading by example.
Happy Women's Day to everyone. I'm proud to work with NDTV. It's a wonderful place for women to work at.
%30 of NDTV employees are women. 23% are leaders. Happy Women's Day. More power to you.
So there's this lovely quote that I want to say right now. If you want something said, ask a man. And if you want something done, ask a woman. Nothing better than this on Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Keep rocking, keep shining.
Every day is a Women's Day. It's all in the mind. I think you must just go out and celebrate the fact that you're there, you're achieving your goals.
Women's Day सिर्फ एक दिन नहीं बल्कि हर दिन मनाएं उनकी सफलता और संघर्ष को सलाम।
महिलाओं के लिए, लड़कियों के लिए यही संदेश है कि हारना नहीं, अपनी कमजोरी को अपनी ताकत बनाना है और मैदान में डटे रहना है।
Happy Women's Day to all the fabulous women at NDTV.
Happy Women's Day.
माँ के पैर के नीचे जन्नत होती है और वो जन्नत क्यों होती है? क्योंकि माँ एक महिला होती है और महिला का सम्मान अगर आपको देखना है तो एनडीटीवी आइए। महिला दिवस पे आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Happy Women's Day.
From our very inception, NDTV has had a dominating role of women across different parts of the workforce. From our various editorial departments to our production teams to our camera departments as well, women have played a critical role.
The women in my life are my inspiration and my support system.
I work with a lot of women in my team, plus I work with a lot of women in the company otherwise, and that's something that just amazes me every single day at NDTV.
वुमेन्स डे पे वुमेन्स के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि सारी महिलाएं एक तरह से सुपर वुमेन होती हैं।
पिछले 29 सालों से एनडीटीवी में काम करते हुए कि इतना तो जरूर कहना चाहूँगा, ये सबसे सेफ जगह है महिलाओं को काम करने के लिए।
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पर सभी महिलाओं को शुभकामनाएं।
May this day be a celebration of your achievements and a reminder of the incredible impact you have. Keep being the driving force behind NDTV success. Your strength and brilliance light the way the brighter future.
For me, Women's Day is empowering women, lifting each other up, supporting, mentoring women who need support.
महिलाओं का जीवन में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है, चाहे माँ हो, बहन हो या को-वर्कर्स हों। इन सबके सहयोग से ही हम लोग शुरुआत से स्कूल, कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी और अपने वर्क फील्ड में जो महिलाएं हैं उनके साथ काम करते हैं, सीखते हैं।
Today on Women's Day, I just wanted to share how much I've enjoyed my experience of working at NDTV, a place where women leadership has been valued long before DEI became a thing. So here's wishing all of you a happy Women's Day.
My message on this Women's Day to all the exceptionally talented women around us is to stay fearless, stay fierce, stay unapologetic, and keep demanding what you deserve. I think you all add great power to us and your families, so keep winning every single day.
So my message to all women, men would probably be that let the women in your life have the luxury of choosing what they want to do with their time, because there's no luxury greater than that.
What makes NDTV unique is that more women have been in leadership positions than in comparable other organizations, positively impacting NDTV's culture. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
हमारे यहाँ जो महिलाएं काम करती हैं वो हमको दरअसल लीड करती हैं। खास करके जो यंगर वर्क फोर्स है उसमें जो यंग महिलाएं हैं उनका काम देख करके, उनके तौर तरीके देख करके हमको बड़ा भरोसा होता है कि हम एक ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम करते हैं जो एक नए वक्त को डिफाइन करता है।